Welcome to today's video. So in this video we're talking about how to start affiliate marketing. Now without a doubt affiliate marketing is the best way to start making money online and from home. And here's the cool thing, you can do this in so many ways. Over on my website here you can see we've got 3 tips for doing YouTube affiliate marketing, how to do affiliate marketing with a Facebook group. We've also got reviews on here, we've got case studies, and basically everything you need to know about making money with affiliate marketing. But essentially, if you do not know what affiliate marketing is, it is whereby you can get paid a commission for sharing and recommending a product. You do not have to be salesy, you don't have to be sleazy, you don't have to be ringing people, you don't have to be messaging people and other bits. You can create content online and you can earn money in a number of ways. You can also partner up with different companies. Now, some will pay you what are known as low ticket items and some will pay you high ticket commissions. Now, in the past, when I first got started, I created content primarily to earn money from Amazon. Now, I'll show you this very quickly. You can see over here, these are commissions from Amazon. Now, this isn't something I do or actively work on. All of this here has come in passively from work I have done previously. So you can see how much I earned this month, this month, this month, and this month. And it's not a lot of money, and there's a reason why I don't focus on Amazon at all, because I moved over onto other things which pay recurring items, a recurring income, and also high ticket. But you can also find items in any category and in any niche. So let me share some examples of this with you. So this is a piece of software over here. You can see I've currently got $376 in unpaid earnings. We've got another website over here where we've got $237 waiting. We've got Amazon, and then we've also got another one over here where you can see I've currently got $865. Now that there is to prove to you that what we're going to be looking at in today's video, I am doing this myself. I do affiliate marketing and I earn money from this. Now in terms of affiliate marketing and working online, am I sat at my laptop every single day? No, I'm not. Absolutely not. I spend probably 2 or 3 hours a week on my entire online business, and that includes YouTube as well. Because I don't want to be sat up here in my office at the laptop. I want to be enjoying life and cracking on with things. But in this video, what we're going to do is I'll walk you through the process, and I'll share with you some free resources and tools to start making money with affiliate marketing, because it's not difficult. The difficult part for many people is the give up. And in this video, we'll just go through the whole process step by step. So the whole concept works with, we decide on a category or a niche or a niche, depending on where you're from. Once you've decided on that category or niche, you can then move on to the following steps. Now, people overcomplicate this whole process. Now, in terms of niches, let's go over here really quickly. So this is an affiliate network, as is Warrior Plus, as is JVZoo. These are all platforms whereby you can find products in any category, in any niche, and you can basically start sharing those with people in a number of ways. And I'll share with you 3 ways in this video. We will not look at paid, because it can cost you a lot of money, and also free and organic traffic is always going to be better than paid. So in terms of categories and niches, we can see over here on ClickBank, all of these down the left hand side, these are all categories. So if we click on any of these, let's just click on cooking, food and wine, that is a category. These here are known as subcategories or sub-niches, and this is basically whereby you can drill this down and go down a bit further into a specific category. Now maybe you already have some knowledge about something, or you actually enjoy a certain thing. Well then, guess what, you can go ahead and find products for that. And it can be in absolutely anything. If we click on green products here, we've got these ones here. If we click on health and fitness, we have got all of these. Now in terms of picking a category, if you want to go down the route of what is the most popular, which is going to make you the most money, it's always the same 3 or 4. It's health and fitness, it's weight loss, it's dating, and it's make money online. And when you say make money online, you can break that down so much further. You can take that into cryptocurrency and niche, cryptocurrency, NFTs, the metaverse, all of that thing. You could go down the specific route of affiliate marketing and many more. So again, look, e-business and e-marketing. If we come down here, look, we've got affiliate marketing, we've got blogs, we've got copywriting, we've got email marketing. All of these here But basically, pick one. Just start with one. Once you've decided on your category or your niche, we then move on to finding products to promote. And it's not that difficult. So over on a platform like ClickBank here, you can come to the categories on the left hand side, or you can just click on the overall category and it will show you all of the products. Now if I scroll up to the top here, scroll down, look, it will tell you what the actual product is about. It will tell you a little bit about it. Click on read more, it'll tell you more. Most of these products will have what is known as an affiliate page, and it says affiliate tools. So if I click on there, it will open up, and normally it tells you more information about that product, okay? So we can see here, this product over on ClickBank, this get paid to use Facebook, Twitter and YouTube. Come over here, this is more information about the product. Come down here, look, you can earn 75% commissions on this. Come further on the page, a bit more information about this. It shows you a funnel. Now, in terms of this, I'll explain this to you, because if you're promoting a product over on, let's say, Amazon, you are not going to be sending people into what is traditionally known as a funnel. Now, a funnel is basically whereby somebody buys the front end product. So in this example, somebody would, I'll show you the sales page. So let's click on here. Somebody would go over to the page like this, and they would put in their information, and it'd say start quiz, and it'll take them through to a page where they can buy that product. Then what happens is they go into this here, which is known as a funnel. So they buy the product, and then it takes them here, and it'll say, look, do you want this express pass? You can get this for $97, you'll make more money, etc, etc. If they say, yeah, that sounds great, they pay the $97, you also earn an additional commission, and then it takes them along here. So these funnels here, look, so do you want writing jobs? Do you want this one or this one? And if they accept that one, you'd earn a commission on that one, then it would go over here. And the same concept happens if they decline it. So if they go over here and they say, no, thank you, goes over here and it says, well, maybe that wasn't good for you. Do you want this, this, and this? And they say, no. And then they go through to here, and this is $37. Or, if they accept it, they go here. Ultimately, they always end up in the same place at the end of the funnel, but they go through this buying or, declining process. And you tend to find this a lot with online digital products, okay? So that is a bit of information about, when you're looking at different products. So if you click here or over on ClickBank, it will take you to the sales page. You can find the affiliate page and you can find out more information about this. And it's the same concept on any of these affiliate networks. So if we go over to Warrior Plus as an example and we go to offers, and again, this website's absolutely free to sign up with. Over on here, you can type in a keyword. Now, it's not filtered over on Warrior Plus and platforms like JVZoo. It's not filtered like it is on ClickBank with your categories and niches on the left-hand side. Instead, you have to type in a keyword. So if we would just type in, let's just say YouTube as an example, type in YouTube, and it will bring up any product on this network with that keyword in. And if you scroll down here, you can find out more information about it. So for example, this one here, you can see when the product was released, how many units it's sold over here. So this product here has sold 2,000. It's got a 6% conversion rate, and then you can find out more information about this. But if you click on here, it will open up, and again, it will tell you more information about the product. So if we scroll down here, you can see a funnel map. So very similar to what we've just seen over here on ClickBank. Click on funnel map, we can see this is the product, the front page. After they buy that product, this is the funnel. It's an upgrade here to an Evo Cloaker. So it's a one funnel. So one step in this funnel, as opposed to this product over here where there are 1, 2, 3 steps. Okay. So you can have a look you can see more about the funnel. If you click over here and you click on view sales page, you can, funnily enough, you can see the sales page. So what the product is about. And it will take you over and you can see the sales page. Okay. So let me come out there and go back over here. And we've got an overview. And then basically, if you want to promote this product here, you click on the affiliate page. And again, it will tell you more information about the product. And then once you're happy with this, you can get your link, okay? So, all of these affiliate platforms, they work in a very similar way. They're just laid out differently. So we decide on a category. So we'll just go with this one here, get paid to use Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. Once you've had a look at this and you're happy with this, very simply, you click on promote. And then what happens here is on ClickBank, you click on generate hop link. Then you see down here, we now have a link. So I'm going to copy that. That is now my link, okay? So anywhere I share that link, so watch this, I'm going to open this up, click on paste and go. Up here it now changes, and you can see here it's got my tracking link over here at the end of this. So if I send anyone over to this page, they complete this, go through and buy a product, it will get tracked back to me on ClickBank via this up here. Straightforward and simple. If I go back over to a platform like Warrior Plus, I'll show you this now. It says link settings. So basically you get given a link, and it's the same concept. So this one here is the affiliate link for this product over here. Straightforward and simple. So we've decided on a category. We've then found a product we are going to promote. The next step of this whole process is where we've got the link. We're now ready to start sharing this. How do you share a link? Well, you do not go and join Facebook groups and start spamming that link. You don't start messaging people and other bits. I like to focus on creating evergreen traffic, which basically means we create a piece of content, and that piece of content can be out there on the internet, bringing us traffic for months and even years down the line. And you do not have to be near your laptop. Now, there's a number of ways you can create traffic. So an example would be something like this. So let me come over here and I'll share with you this. So we'll go to this website over here really quickly. Lineman Boots and Tools. This here is a website. It's my website, and it's all around this category or niche over here. And guess what? People land on this website over here, and let me just show you this. I'll click into one of these really quickly. Scroll down, and basically, the information on here about a product, and basically if they click, any of these links on here, then I will earn an affiliate commission for doing so. This is a very basic example of, creating content. Now, you can go down the route of creating your own Facebook group, and again, I've covered that over here in this over here. Look, Amazon affiliate marketing with a Facebook group. This article specifically is focused on Amazon, but you could do this around any category. You could create a Facebook group around lineman boots and tools and start sharing content in a Facebook group and basically start earning commissions that way. Now, the best way of earning commissions, without a doubt, is the platform that you're watching right here now. And it's YouTube. Because guess what? And don't worry, you don't have to be on camera. You don't have to talk if you don't want to. There's so many ways you can create content on YouTube and be earning an affiliate commission. And you can do this from day one. Literally from day one, you can start earning affiliate commissions. You can use pieces of software. You can use free software, like you could go to this one over here called OpenShot. You can come over here, download this, and start literally drag and dropping videos and images into a video creator on here. And you can see on here, this is how it works. It's free. You can go ahead and do this. Now, in terms of YouTube, the great thing about YouTube is you can create a video today and upload it, and in the first couple of days or even the first week, it might not get a lot of traction. But what happens is, over time, it can start, getting more views, and it can take off. I had a video that I did a couple of years ago where in the first, I think it was the first 90 days, it did nothing. But then on day 91, it then started getting recommended and shared by YouTube, and by the end of that year, that video had something like 15,000 views, and it was a 10-minute video, and I earned some pretty decent money from this. Now, there's also other platforms like Quora, like Pinterest. Also, you could try things like Twitter and Instagram Reels and TikTok, and all of these things. There's so many different ways that you can do affiliate marketing. And you don't just have to, go with these methods that I've spoken about today, like YouTube and other things. There's lots of ways that you can create content around this. But overall, the concept is always the same. You decide on a category or a niche. You find products to promote. Once you've got those, you then get a link, and then you start sharing that link organically online. My personal preferred, method is going ahead and sharing videos on YouTube. So like this channel here is obviously YouTube, but you can do this in, as I've mentioned, any category or any niche. If you want to learn more about affiliate marketing or YouTube, I've got free courses to both of them. I will leave them all down below for you. And basically, they walk you through this whole concept. If you want to learn a bit more about affiliate marketing and you've got $7 to spend, then I'd recommend this one over here. And it's called Legendary Marketer. Now, they have a number of products available inside of here, but the reason why I recommend and share this one is for this. It's called the 15-Day Business Builder Challenge. It's $7, and basically you start on day one, and this here shows you how to create content and promote and build, as you can see here, high ticket business online. And it also focuses on high ticket items, but it also focuses on items like this one over here, whereby you earn a recurring commission, which is the similar concept where you do the work once and you earn money monthly from the work you've done previously. So, you know, this is a great tool and resource for you. It's 15 days and it's $7. If you want to learn more about the other products inside of this company, again, I've got an article here, you can see Legendary Marketer Review, and it walks through all of the products that they have available. And basically, they've got TikTok courses in here, they've got affiliate marketing and lots more. But look, that's today's video. That is how you do affiliate marketing. And literally, even if you're not a beginner and you've got some experience with this, it's not a difficult process. It genuinely isn't. If you then start looking into other things like landing pages and building an email list and other things, you can take your earnings to a completely new level. I love affiliate marketing. I recommend it, and I do it myself. So look, I'll drop links to all of these things that we've spoken about. If you want to check if you want to check out my free YouTube course or my free affiliate marketing course, I'll also leave a link to that down below for you. So yeah, let me know if you've got any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow.